Hi guys, after my fun video about the 3M Italian lock, I don't think it's Italian, I do believe it's a Chinese one, I will show you a real Italian lock. It's the VIRO, proudly made in Italy. You can see some more information about it. So Locetto, yada yada, pin tumbler with dead locking bolts. It's a really nice lock. Article number 103. Not sure if that's the model, but as I said, it's a really nice lock. You can see, proudly again made in Italy. Come on, camera, focus for me. Made in Italy with the whole sticker of VIRO. Works perfectly because it's a brand new lock. You can see the bearings here, the bolt bearings. And it might look strange, but it's a 4-pin lock. But there's something hidden in it. Although on the bottom there are 4 pins, on the top we have another pin which you need to take care to push so that you can work on both pins. I would push it every time I believe that none of the I have picked a pin and no other is giving, so maybe the one that is on the bottom is locking the core. The one on the bottom you only need to press. There's no security on it, just press so that it can release the core, it can slide under the core. So that's number 1. That's number 2, let's see, number 1 still picked. See the bottom pin, just go with the pick on it. So that's number 3, I guess. Okay, but I didn't drop number 2, so that's number 1, which we dropped as well. Oh, did we? No, maybe not. Okay, let's see what's on the bottom if we need to push the pin. Okay, let's see the next one. I do apply slightly bigger tension than on any other pick. Any other lock, because of this pin, because if I set it once like now, I don't want to drop it back, because this will stop me from picking the rest of the pins. So let's see if I did drop it. Okay, so we got ourselves a full setback. So let's start from the beginning again. Set 1 seems to be set 2, 3 seems to be set 4. And we dropped our pin on the bottom again. Okay. See the bottom pin? Nice. I think we drop the bottom pin again and open. There we go. It's a really a masterpiece of locking. If they would put 1 more or 2 more pins inside, I know it's a little bit hard because of the shape of this lock, but if they put another one, that would be really awesome. It will be quite a challenge to pick. But anyway, it's a lovely lock. and I do like it, so it will stay in my collection for a long time. Okay guys, thank you for watching, happy picking, and stay safe and keep it legal.